Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of
When we dry them up, too cold. No go too deep, you know. Yeah, yeah, fair watch Joe, you know. Our troops, see there? Apple cider vinegar and our troops. Come up right, make them get saturated in the gravy and all of that. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little smoothie recipe. I'll be using some kale fresh, and I've just washed it and I left it in my freezer to get a little frozen. So I'm just gonna pick off like these hard parts that are hanging out. But outside of that, I'm just gonna put my kale in. So I pick off at the end right here. Yeah, that's basically these taller other parts, and it is almost frozen. So you see that? So I left it in something stainless steel or so. So it was almost getting icy right there. Gonna add to this some semi-frozen mango pieces, and yes, I have a little piece of the mango skin in there. Nothing is wrong with that, but don't put too much, because too much of the mango skin will make it bitterish. No, you need to choose a mango that doesn't have strings. I know the East Indian has a nice flavor, but it's really stringy. So if you can get the Julie, anything that is of a smooth flavor. I definitely am going to put in some, this is some sea moss, or in Jamaica we say Irish mush. So this is it. I'm going to be putting in some grounded flaxseed, and I'm going to use some milk to put this together, and I'm going to put all, so everything for me here is fairly icy cold and semi-frozen. So I'm going to put it onto my blender. You can put it into your smoothie maker or whatever. So the first thing I'm going to do is liquefy it. Okay, so I've liquefied it, and I'm just going to put this with the rest of my milk. Yeah, I'm going to now puree it. So I don't know about your device that you're going to be using, but this has puree, it has liquefy, and I did liquefy because the kale, you know, kind of hardish, the mango, so I did liquefy. Now I'm going to puree for probably less than a minute. Now, family, I think everybody likes their smoothie at different consistencies. My consistency, I don't like my smoothie too watery, but you can comment and tell me, how do you like yours? Some people like theirs extra thick. I like mine in between. So this is what I have. I'm gonna pour, let you see my consistency. Now, you know the kale has those little leaves and those little chewy leaves. You can can mix or blend to suit you. Some people like the little chewiness of the kale in there, leaving you with a little fiber, which you also need, or if you want to do it until it's smooth. This is like almost smooth. So this is what I have, and as I pour, you will see what is happening down in there. Tell me in the comment section, how do you like this consistency of your smoothie? I like mine like this. Some people like it thicker, some people like it more watery. Why I like mine like this is because it enables me not to drink it down. It enables me to have that texture that will allow me to drink it, you know, quite, you know, as how I want it to. It will serve you. When it's too watery, then you know what happens? You have to drink it down because it starts turning water. Okay? And then when it's extra thick, it will not come up through the straw. So this is it. So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, it is mango and kale smoothie, just done just for you. Now the time is getting hot and all of that. I want to show you that it can come through the straw. So I'm gonna get some of mine out and show you that it can come through the straw. The time is really hot now, and these are some of the things that we're going to be using to like cool down our bodies and also really nutritious. So I'm going to borrow this. I'm still tasting fine pieces of the kale, which works for me. I like a little fiber in my diet. It is beautiful. It's not sweet. It's not too tardy. The mango is there, and it gives it that, you know, it enhances the kale. Also, there is the fineness of the flaxseed. The flaxseed too gives it body along with the sea moss. So think about the ingredients that I use: sea moss, crushed flaxseed, kale, mango, and a little milk. Remember, the milk is of your choice. Think about it. You might just need it. If you're a person that detoxes often, you might need some of this to be putting back some of those nutrients that your body so desire, that your body so need. Thanks for watching. Remember to be you, do you. Most of all, love you. Some of this kale mango smoothie for this heated weather that is coming up.